The human body is a powerful piece of machinery, and I am absolutely fascinated with the way the human body works. But you know how you put stuff in the recycle bin, and the bin man comes and collect the bin and take it to the recycle center. Recycle center perform their recycling process and bring these goods back into use. Your body does the same thing. Now, I want you to picture the human body as this big factory that have different departments, and all these departments have different people working on it. And so all these people working in these different departments, they do different jobs, but they all work to achieve a common aim, which is to satisfy the job of the factory. Whatever this factory is producing, they're all working together to accomplish this one aim. It's the same way the human body works. So inside our body, we have cells. We have cells all over our body. Inside your cells, you have different departments. You have the ribosome, the lysosome, the mitochondria, the nucleus. They all have different functions. All these parts inside the cells have different functions they perform. So, what is autophagy? Autophagy is the process by which your body recycles all damaged parts. So you know, like how I have said that there are different components inside your cell, right? The ribosome is responsible for creating protein, just as a basic explanation. The lysosome is the recycling center. The nucleus houses your DNA, right? And the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, right? They all have different functions. So what happens is when your body performs the day-to-day task, like the production of energy or the making of proteins, the making of enzymes, and all these different things all happens inside our cells, and that gives us energy to do what we want to do or to live our normal daily lives, right? When all these things happens, of course there's a byproduct, but also there's some parts that is not being used. All this is then pushed into the recycling center of the cell, which is the lysosome, right? Now, so in times when we need it, these products in the lysosome is being recycled and sent back into use. That's simply what autophagy is. So now, before I go further, let me just tell you why autophagy is important. So now let's say you have a very mean boss, right? And this boss is very mean. He wants everybody to work 24 hours for the next 4 weeks. Nobody's going on. We just have to work because we're under pressure. We need to produce as much as we can, so nobody's going home. So for the first couple of hours, everybody's fine. But as the day goes by, 24 hours, nobody is sleeping. Everybody's just busy working. What happens? The performance of the people start to decrease over time. It gets poorer and poorer and poorer over time. So by the time it even gets to 4 weeks, they might not even achieve the task they're trying to achieve because of the productivity of the people is very poor. Why? Because people are not having enough sleep. They're probably not having enough to eat. They're just overworked. So it's not going to work. The same things happen inside your cell. When you constantly bombard your cells with food or with all these different things, some people smoke, whatever you do, drinking and whatever, these things are constantly, your cells are constantly being bombarded, and your recycling center is constantly being loaded, but there's no unloading get to be done. Over time it accumulates, and then you start to get problems, and that's where sicknesses start to show up. But these things don't show up straight away. It happens over time, and it happens slowly. And so that's one reason why autophagy is very important. You need to induce autophagy to get these parts of your body functioning properly, to get your cells functioning properly. It's very important for cleaning inside your body. Just like you clean outside your body, the same way you want to clean inside your body. So For that reason, you would want autophagy inside your body. Now, you may ask, how do I get autophagy done? So, there are two important ways you can induce autophagy in your body. You can do them together or you can do them separately, but when you do them together, they have a bigger effect. Exercise is one way you can get autophagy being done in your body is exercise. When you exercise, you lose body calories, right? And then, especially if you do a lot of exercise, for some of us that do a lot of weightlifting, we do different kind of trainings, and we train frequently, we constantly induce autophagy because at a point we're exercising a lot. So even though we're eating, right, we get a point where we have this recycling effect inside the cell to happen because we need the energy for to perform the functions we do, right? Another way to induce autophagy is by fasting, right? When you fast, you're not eating, you give your body time to rest from eating too much, your guts get to rest. And so what happens is, inside your body, because you're not eating, food is not coming in, your cells get time to utilize the old damaged parts inside your life and push it inside your lysosome, recycle it, bring it back as energy, or use it in the process of making proteins and all of the things. So by this way, you get to clean inside your body. So these are the two ways you can induce autophagy. And I've just told you why autophagy is important. It prevents you from diseases and it saves you from a lot of other problems. So it is very important that you exercise and you fast. You can do them together. If you do it together, you get a stronger effect. But exercise alone can induce autophagy, as so is fasting alone can induce autophagy. Now, some people need to fast longer to get autophagy. It depends on your activity level. As I've said, if you exercise, it's a different thing. If you're someone that you're very sedentary, you don't move much, it's a totally different situation. But on average, an 18-hour fast can help you to get some amount of autophagy. If you push it longer up to 24 hours, even better. So now that you know how to induce autophagy, please make sure you do some exercise and fasting. The whole point of this video is to tell you that you don't only have to clean outside your body, make sure you clean inside your body. And autophagy is what helps you to clean inside your body. Guys, don't forget, I'm not just talking. Research information is down below. If you like this video, press the like button, share it. I'll see you next time. I wish you good health. Have a good day.